So I've got the populations up there from Friday. I've got the populations are up there from Friday. That's good enough to see. From Friday, we still have, okay, we've got our populations entered. We can copy and paste for the total, for the natural divisor, for the natural quotas. I don't have that in here because I restarted things. But our total population was just the sum of what we had, everything up above. Natural divisor was just our total population divided by our house size. And from there we went and we got our natural quotas. Natural quotas was always the population divided by, it was $B, $12, because that locks in the natural divisor cell. Let's close the blinds so we can see it a little bit. There. So it was $B, $12 for our first. The dollar sign locks that cell. So anytime when we copy and paste, the B2 is going to shift to B3, B4, B5, etc. The B12 is going to stay locked at our natural divisor. I could take the little blue bubble at the bottom right, click and drag that down. Now for me, because I am on the computer, it's going to just autofill it. For you, we'll tap in the middle. The menu comes up autofill. We'll tap autofill and it puts it all there for us. So we've got our natural quotas. Jefferson, I've got our three methods so far. We're going to get our fourth method up there later. Jefferson, we take our natural divisors. We did this last week when we ground our way through it on the calculator. We take our natural divisors, we round down. Round down. Think about it. It's 1790. Think about the calculators. They don't have many decimal points. They don't have any decimal points because it's an abacus or it's somebody's fingers. But so it makes it easier without the decimal point. You just round down. You get a whole number, that's what it is. So Jefferson, we round down. So we had that formula. Now you can copy and paste from everything else. And of course, mine isn't showing up with the menus here. So we're going to round down C2. I round down the natural quota. And then I'm going to copy that cell throughout. So tap in the middle, autofill. So the little blue bubble, pull it down. Tap in the center, autofill. And I want the sum. So for you on the iPads, bottom left, it's going to show up a little sum. Just hit sum and it's going to put it right underneath. I'm going to type it in. I just can equal. There it goes. I want the sum all the way at the bottom. This is the same thing that we had before, so we can copy and paste anyways. All right, here's where Jefferson is different from Hamilton and Lowndes. Hamilton, we go, 223. We look at the three highest decimal places in our natural quota. We get those three go up. Lowndes method, we had the relative fractional part. We did the decimal piece divided by the whole number. We looked at those and we rounded up 3. Jefferson is a divisor method. So we're going to pick a new divisor. I'm coming down to cell B13. Remember, anything in yellow, we type in a number. Anything in blue, we're going to come up with a formula. So bottom left, it says Jefferson divisor. Now here's what we need to think about. The natural divisor, 0.442, gives us 223 seats. We need 226. So we pick a new divisor. Should we pick a number that is greater than 0.442 or less than 0.442? Greater, we got less. Less? Let's try it and see what happens. Okay, pick some number less than 0.442. 0.441. All right, that's less. So I'm going to put in our Jefferson divisor, 0.441. Just going to put that in there. We're going to use that number, building it up so everything changes as we go along. So Jefferson, I'm putting in 0.441. Jefferson, we take our new modified divisor. we find our new modified quotas. Well, the modified quota is the same thing as the natural divisor, except we're using a natural quota, except that we're using a different divisor. Thinking back, the natural quota was the state divided by the natural divisor. So the modified quota will be the state divided by the modified divisor. So in there, our state currently B as in banana, B2, divided by our Jefferson divisor, that's in B13. But we need the dollar signs. Keep in mind the dollar signs. So we need $B, $13, because it's always at B13. Right now, this is the setup. This is the planning stage of what we're doing. After we get through all the planning, it's just type in the numbers, change it, change it, change it. Hey, it works, we're done. I'm going to autofill. So bottom right of the cell, grab the little blue bubble, pull it down, tap in the center, select autofill. Final allocation. Final allocation. Well, Jefferson, modified quota, round down. Jefferson always rounds down. Jefferson always rounds down. So I'm going to write a formula for Jefferson. Final allocation, round down. Hey, that's the same thing that we've done. We have that formula for round down. So what am I going to round down? I'm going to round down the modified quota. What was that? I'm going to autofill that and find the sum at the bottom. So it was rounded down, E2. Then we've got the sum at the bottom. It's okay. We're good. 11.33. Do you have 0.441 at the bottom left? All right, let's check that. That's all. So 0.441, if we look at that, it gives us 224 seats. 0.441 gives us 224. We need more. We're going in the right direction. So reducing the divisor was the right idea. Let's drop it more. Pick something less than 0.441. 0.43. 0.43 gives us 29. Hold on to that idea, I heard you. 0.43 gives us 229. Too many. Too few. Too many. We need just right. Jordan, what'd you have?
0.436.
Let's do 0.436. So go change that again. 0.436. Hooray! It came out to be 226.
Yeah.
done. The spreadsheet. If we did not have the spreadsheet, if we were in the calculator, we'd pick a new number. We've got to crunch through all the divisors, round them down, add them. If it works, great. If not, new number, crunch more, round, check. Doesn't work. New number. You'd have to grind your way through it. Takes a bit of time. So here we've got our Jefferson spreadsheet. All we need to do now, thinking about this, all of it's in blue. We change the numbers. We go, oops, there's actually supposed to be a 12 at the end. And this was actually supposed to be 250 seats. We tried something else. We just go back and, okay, 0.44. We just change the numbers now. You don't have to crunch your way through everything. It's just update the numbers, see what works. All right.